In today's video, we will see how we can create cleaning schedule in Excel. This is the cleaning schedule which I have created in advance. Currently, we are in the month of June and in date range it's showing from June 24 to May 25. If I change the month and we'll do it January, now it's showing from Jan 24 to December 24. And if I'll do this April, it's showing April 24 to March 25. Over here in left hand side, we have to mark our cleaning areas and after that we have to mark our sub areas. Means we will have to type over here manually cleaning areas as well as sub areas. After that we have got frequency which will be managed through drop downs. After frequency we have got start date and start dates will be marked manually. Means we will have to insert the dates manually. Currently I have marked the start date as 1st June. I'll change the month and we'll do it June. Let me delete all the frequencies and all the things which were visible on right hand side got vanished. If I'll select daily, all the dates will be highlighted. If I'll do it weekly, it will be highlighted on weekly basis. Fortnightly, so fortnightly dates got marked, and in the same way whenever we will select anything, it will be marked accordingly. This format is for 12 months, this is June, and when the month will change, color will change accordingly, so that we can differentiate when the next month is getting changed or getting started. When we come to right hand side, all the months are over here. Over here I have also marked Saturdays and Sundays. This schedule is for the whole year, so when I'll come to right hand side, we can see this schedule till 31st May 25 because I have started this schedule from June. Second is mark status sheet, and this sheet is connected from scheduling sheet, means cleaning scheduling sheet. I'll come to mark status. As soon as our task will be completed, we will have to click over here. A drop down will be visible and we can select D for done. And as soon as we will select D means done, total task done is 1 on the top and total pending is 0. I'll undo this and third sheet will be filtered list. You can check your task means pending task as well as done task from date range, and we will have to put date range manually over here. Let's start creating a new sheet now. In the very beginning we will select the whole sheet and we'll take all the things in mid. Now we will take column number A closer, we'll click on B2 and we'll select till D. We'll merge this together. This will be cleaning schedule. Enter. Now we will click on E2 and this will be from. Enter. We'll select row number 2 and we'll increase the size. We'll take all the things in center. Now we will click on F and we'll select till O. We'll merge this together. We'll select row number 2 and we'll change the font style. We'll make it bold. We'll increase the font size. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll click on from and we'll select the next merge cell also. We'll change the color. We'll change the font color. We'll come to right hand side. We'll click on P means P2 and we'll select till V. We'll merge this together. We'll come to right hand side. We'll click on W and we'll select till Z and we'll merge this together. Now we will select both the merged cells and we'll put some color. We'll change the font color as black. Now we will insert borders over here. We'll click over here on this merge cell and we'll create drop down for months. We'll go to data validation. From here we will select list, source. In source we will type name of the months from January to December. And we'll do OK. So our drop down list got created. We will select January. We'll increase the font size by going in home. Now we will click next to January. We'll go to data validation. From here we will select list, source. We will type years over here. So I'll type from 2024 till 2030. And we'll do OK. So the drop down for years got created. We'll select 2024. We'll increase the font size. We'll go in home and we'll increase the font size. Perfect. Now I'll come to left. We'll click on cleaning schedule and we'll insert border. We'll select from and next cell also and we'll create outside border. We'll leave row number 3 blank. We'll take this closer. We'll click on B4 and we'll select till E. We'll merge this together. We'll make row size 4 bigger. This will be dates and days. Enter. We'll select the whole row and we'll change the font style. We'll put some color over here. We'll increase the font size. Now I'll click under this and we'll select till E. We'll merge this together. We'll put some color. We'll change the font color. We'll select the whole row and we'll change the font style. This will be cleaning schedule and task descriptions. Enter. We'll select both the heads and we'll create borders. Now I'll click next to dates and days and we'll insert the formula for first date, and the formula will be plus or equal to date value bracket open double inverted comma 1 double inverted comma close, and we will come to right hand side and we'll click on month's name, and we'll come to right hand side and we'll click on year. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll come to left. We got some random figure over here. We'll take this in center. We'll select couple of cells and we'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. We'll leave it selected. We'll go to home and we'll come in the center. Here we get the option of orientation. We'll click on the drop down and we'll select rotate text up. We'll decrease the font size. We'll make row number 4 bigger, means we'll increase the size of row number 4. So we got 1st Jan 24. We'll click just under the date and we'll insert the formula for days, and formula will be plus or equal to text bracket open value. We'll click on our first date comma double inverted comma DDD, means D 3 times double inverted comma close bracket close, and we will hit enter. We got Monday. We'll go to orientation and we'll select rotate text up. We'll take this in center. Now I'll select date and day. We'll go to conditional formatting. New rule. Over here we get the option of classic. In case you are using Windows, you will not be getting the option of classic. You will be diverted to next step, and that is use a formula to determine which cells to format. And our formula will be plus or equal to, we will click on our first day. We'll remove the first dollar is equal to double inverted comma Saturday SAT double inverted comma close. We'll take this in bracket. We'll come in the end plus bracket open. We'll click on first day once again. We'll remove first dollar is equal to double inverted comma Sunday SUN double inverted comma close bracket close. We will highlight our Saturdays and Sundays in red. So I'll leave this color and we'll do OK. Nothing got highlighted, but whenever it will be Saturday and Sunday, it will be highlighted automatically. Now we will highlight one more thing, and that is next month. When we will drag this and the month will change, color should change automatically. So we will leave this selected. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will select classic, and from here we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be plus or equal to mod MOD bracket open month bracket open. We will click on first date. We'll remove the first dollar bracket close comma 2. We want to highlight every second month or alternate month. Only reason I have typed 2 over here. We'll close the bracket. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. We'll click on the drop down and we'll select a desired color. We'll go to more color, and from here I'll select green and we'll do OK. Font color will be white. OK. So this got highlighted in green. We'll create borders. Let's change the month and see what result we are going to get. January. I'll click over here and we'll change the month. We'll do as February. The highlight got vanished. Now I'll click over here and we'll put some color. We'll change the font color. I'll change the month once again. We'll do it March, and it got highlighted in green. As of now, I'll keep the month as January. We'll come to left. We'll increase the row size. We'll click on Monday and we'll decrease the font size. I'll click on B. This will be cleaning areas. Enter. We'll increase the column size. This will be sub areas. We'll increase the column size. This will be frequency. Enter. And this will be start date. Enter. We'll select the whole row and we'll take all the things in center. We'll change the font style. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. Over here also I'll change the color. We'll change the font color. We'll adjust column size over here. 1st Jan. This is day 1. So I'll type 1. We'll decrease the font size. We'll put some color. So we have inserted our first date. Now we will insert our second date, and the formula will be totally different from the first date. And the formula will be plus or equal to if bracket open. We'll click on first date. We'll press function F4 3 times is smaller than EO month, means end of the month bracket open. We'll click on first date once again. We'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged. Comma 0, bracket close, comma, we'll click on first date plus 1, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got second date. We'll take this in center. We'll drag our day. We'll put color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll adjust the column size. We'll select this and we'll create borders. We'll drag one, fill series. So this will be 2. Day 1, day 2. Now we will select second date and day and we'll drag till 31st. We'll come to left. We'll select this from top and we'll adjust the column size. Now we will click on 2 and we'll drag this till 31st. Fill series. We'll come to left. We'll select all the heads and we'll select till 31st. We'll select few rows and we'll create borders. Our Saturdays and Sundays haven't got highlighted. We'll click on first day. We'll go to conditional formatting, manage rules. Here is the rule what we had inserted in the very beginning. We'll take this on top and we'll do OK. So our Saturdays and Sundays got highlighted. Now we will go to view and we'll remove the grid lines. From over here we will insert our date range in the end. We will rename this sheet as cleaning schedule. Now we will click under frequency and we'll select till end. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list. Source. Over here we will type manually daily, weekly, fortnightly, monthly, quarterly, half yearly, yearly, and we'll do OK. So our drop down got created. We'll leave this selected. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type daily. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill, and from here we will select a desired color. Font color will also be desired and we'll do OK. OK. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type weekly. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill, we'll select a desired color and we'll change the font color. OK. OK. In the same way we will highlight all our codes of frequency. So all the codes got highlighted. Now we will select from the drop down. Start date. We will take some random date. Enter. We'll take this in center. We'll select from top to bottom. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. We'll drag this down. Copy cells. Now we will have to put our formula over here for daily, weekly, fortnightly, monthly, quarterly, half yearly and yearly. But the formula is too big. So I'll just copy and paste the formula from my example file. I'll provide link of formula in description box. In case you want to copy, you can. I'll go to my example file. We'll click on first cell. We'll make the formula bar bigger. And this is our formula. I'll copy the whole formula. Ctrl C or Command C. We'll press escape. We'll go to my new format and we'll paste the formula over here. We'll go to formula bar, Ctrl V or Command V. Enter. We got X. We'll take this in center. Now we will drag this to last date and we'll drag this down. Now we will highlight these. We'll click on first cell. We'll go to conditional formatting. New rule. From here we will select classic and from the drop down we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. We'll take this down. We'll click over here plus or equal to. We'll click on frequency. We'll remove dollar from center because we have to highlight the whole row is equal to double inverted comma daily. Double inverted comma close. We'll take this on top. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. We'll take this to right. We'll click on the drop down and we'll select green color because we had highlighted our daily in green. Font will be black for all. We'll do OK. OK. So daily got highlighted. We'll drag this to end. If we will drag this down, rest of the codes will not be highlighted because currently we are highlighting daily. We'll click over here once again. We'll go to conditional formatting, manage rules. We'll click on this rule, duplicate rule. Now we will click on edit rule. We will remove daily from here and we'll put weekly. Click on the drop down, customize format. Color for weekly is red. So we will select red from here. Font will be white. OK. OK. We'll click on weekly, duplicate rule. Now we will click on edit rule. We'll delete weekly from here and we'll type fortnightly. Color of fortnightly is yellow. So we'll click on the drop down, customized format, fill, we'll select yellow color, font will be black. OK. In the same way, we will highlight all our codes. So all the codes got highlighted, we will do OK. The whole row got highlighted. We will insert one more condition. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type blank. For blank, we will insert double inverted comma twice. We'll click on the drop down, customized format, fill, we will select white color, and font will also be white, and we'll click on OK. Now we will drag this down and we'll drag this to right. So all the blank cells got white. We will drag this down and we'll drag this to right, means till end of the month. Now we will click on date and day and we'll drag this till 31st December. We'll drag this once more and we got our date till 31st. We'll select all the columns. We'll come to right and we'll adjust the column size. Now we will click on number of days. We'll select 30 and 31 and we'll drag this till end. We'll adjust the column size once again. Now all the numbers are visible properly. Perfect. Now we will click over here. We'll select till end and we'll drag this till last date of the year. Perfect. We'll come to left. Now we will insert our formula over here and the formula will be plus or equal to text bracket open min means minimum bracket open. We'll click on first date. We'll press shift control and right arrow key. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be locked. Bracket close, comma, double inverted comma, MMM means M 3 times, space, dash, space, YY means Y 2 times. This is for month and this is for year. Double inverted comma close, bracket close, and double inverted comma, space, 2, space, double inverted comma, and text, bracket open, max, bracket open. We'll click on first date once again, but date is not visible, so we'll click on day and by help of arrow key, we will go on top. We'll press shift control and right arrow key and it will be selected till last date. We'll press function F4 and the whole range will be logged, comma, bracket close, comma, double inverted comma, MMM, space, dash, space, YY, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So we got our date range. Whenever we will change the month, February, it got changed. We'll do this January. So cleaning schedule is ready. Now we will create another sheet, that is mark status. I'll click on sheet's name, we'll press alt and we'll drag this down and we'll release my mouse. So copy got created. In case you haven't got this feature, just click on sheet's name, right click the mouse, move or copy, create a copy and do OK. In this way also your copy will be created. I'll delete this. So this is our second sheet, means copy sheet. We'll rename this as mark status. We'll click on cleaning areas, plus or equal to, we'll go to cleaning schedule and we'll click on cleaning areas over here. So both the sheets will be connected. Enter. We'll take this in center. Currently 0 is visible. We will go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if. If bracket open, we'll go to cleaning schedule and we'll click on first task is equal to double inverted comma, means if this will be blank, in return we want blank. So we will put comma, double inverted comma twice once again, comma, we'll come to the end, close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will delete all the dates, we'll select all the frequency and we'll delete this. We'll go to data validation and we'll clear all the rules. Okay. We are doing this in mark status and not in cleaning schedule. We had connected cleaning areas from backsheet. So we will drag this and we'll drag this till start date. When I dragged this, all my conditional formatting vanished. So better I'll undo this. We'll drag this to sub areas. We'll click over here, plus or equal to. We'll go to cleaning schedule and we'll click over here. Enter. We'll go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if. If bracket open, we'll go to cleaning schedule. We'll click on first frequency is equal to double inverted comma for blank, comma, if it will be blank, in return we want blank. So I'll put double inverted comma twice once again, comma, we'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now I will drag this down. Perfect. Start date plus or equal to, We'll go to cleaning schedule and we'll click on first start date. Enter. Now I'll drag this down. Over here also we will put the criteria of if. We'll go to formula bar. If bracket open. We'll go to cleaning schedule. We'll click on start date is equal to blank. So I'll put double inverted comma twice, comma, double inverted comma twice once again, comma. We'll come to the end. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll click over here and we'll drag this down. Now we will delete our dates. We'll click on date and day. We'll press shift control right arrow key and we'll delete all the dates. We'll click over here plus or equal to. We'll go to cleaning schedule and we'll click on first date. Enter. We'll drag this down. Now I'll drag this till end. So dates and days will be connected from last sheet. Perfect. We'll come to left. We'll delete both of these. Delete. We'll go to data. Data validation. Erase current rules. OK. Clear all. OK. We'll click over here. We'll go to home and we'll unmerge the cells. No fill. Over here also I'll do the same thing. We'll unmerge cells. No fill. We'll select both and we'll remove borders. No border. We'll click over here. We'll go to borders. Right border. We'll leave P blank and we'll click on Q. We'll select till T and we'll merge together. We'll put some color. We'll change the font color. This will be total done. We'll decrease the font size. We'll click over here and we'll select till Y. We'll merge together. Now I'll select both and we'll create outside border. Over here we will count our total D, means done. So our formula will be plus or equal to count if bracket open. We'll click over here and we'll select till end. We'll press shift control and right arrow key and it will be selected till 31st December. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Comma, double inverted comma, D, double inverted comma close, bracket close and we will hit enter. Over here we will have to create drop down. But one thing to notice, our formulas are also sitting in the cells. So we will create the drop downs over this. We'll click on first cell, we'll select till down or bottom. We'll press shift control right arrow key. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list. Source. We will type D over here. Only D. D is for done. And we'll click on OK. We'll leave it selected. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type D. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here we will select green color and font will be white. And we'll do OK. OK. After creating drop down also our formulas are sitting in the cells. So once the work is done, click over here on the cell, specific cell, click on the drop down and select D. Formula got removed and it got replaced by D, means done. And on top we can see total done is 1. Now we'll click over here and we'll select till D, AD. We'll merge this together. This will be total pending. We'll put some color. We'll change the font color. We'll reduce the font size. We'll change color of this. We'll do this green. We'll click over here and we'll select till AI. We'll merge this together. We'll change the font color. We'll select this and we'll create outside border. Over here also we will insert the formula or function of countif and the formula will be plus or equal to countif bracket open. We'll click over here and we'll select till end. We'll press shift control right arrow key. We'll press function F4, comma, double inverted comma, X, double inverted comma close, bracket close and we will hit enter. So total 464 tasks are pending. So this sheet is also ready. Now we will insert our last sheet and that is filtered list. We'll click over here, we'll right click the mouse, move or copy, move to end, create a copy, OK. So copy got created. This will be filtered list. We'll click on top, we'll delete this, we'll type select date range to check status. We'll delete our formula from here, we'll delete this, we'll unmerge the cells from here, we'll select E, F and G and we'll merge together. We'll select H, I and J and we'll merge together. This will be 2. Enter. We'll select from K to O and we'll merge this. We'll put some random dates over here. Over here also I'll put some random date. We'll click on first date. We'll press Ctrl or Command and we'll select last date also. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. So we got our date range. We'll delete this. We'll unmerge the cells. We'll select B and C and we'll merge together. We'll merge both the cells. We'll type selection of start date will be on or after. Enter. We'll reduce the font size. We'll click over here, plus or equal to. We'll go to mark status and we'll click on first date. Enter. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format. OK. Now we will click on first date over here. We'll delete this, plus or equal to. We'll click on first date over here. Enter. We'll put one condition. We'll go to formula bar. If bracket open last date, we'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged, is equal to blank. For blank we will insert double inverted comma twice, comma. If it will be blank, we want blank in return, comma. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll come to second date and over here also we will insert the criteria of if. If bracket open, we'll click on last date, we'll press function F4 is equal to blank. For blank we will insert double inverted comma twice, comma. If it will be blank, we want blank in return, comma. We'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this to end. Perfect. We'll come to left. Now if last date will be blank, all the dates will be vanished. We'll press Ctrl Z or Command Z. We'll click over here, we'll select till bottom, we'll press Shift Ctrl right arrow key, we'll delete all the formulas, we'll go to data validation and we'll clear all the rules. OK. Now we will insert our last formula of the format and the formula will be plus or equal to filter bracket open. We'll go to mark status. We'll come to left. We'll click just under 1. We'll press Shift Ctrl right arrow key and we'll press down arrow key. We'll press function F4 and the whole range will be logged, comma. Bracket open. We'll go to cleaning schedule. We'll come to left. We'll click on first date. We'll press Shift Ctrl right arrow key. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Is greater than or equal to. We'll come to filtered list and we'll click on first date. It's showing E2 till G2. We'll remove G2. We'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged. Bracket close. Into. We'll go to cleaning schedule. We'll come to left. We'll click on first date. We'll press Shift Ctrl right arrow key. We'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged. Is smaller than or equal to. We'll go to filtered list and we'll click on last date. We'll remove O2 from end. We'll press function F4, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got our filtered list. Whenever we will change the dates, currently it's from 1st Jan to 31st December. If I'll do this 31st Jan, enter, we got our data till 31st Jan only. And if I'll change starting date, I'll do this 15th Jan, enter, we got our data from 15th Jan till 31st Jan. Over here one thing is not changing and that is our number of days. We'll delete this and we'll insert the formula plus or equal to HLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value, date will be our lookup value, comma. We'll go to our cleaning schedule, we'll come to left, table array. Our table array will be dates, days and numbers. We'll select till end. We'll log the range by pressing function F4, comma, row index number. It will be 3 because our numbers are in row number 3. This is 1, 2 and this is 3. Bracket close. We'll come to the beginning of the formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So on 15th Jan, we got day number 15. We'll drag this to end. Perfect. Come to the left. So our format is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.